Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leslie of thatmompreneurlife.com. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking that video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you hear today. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I have a Temu haul for you today. Surprise, surprise. It's Thanksgiving tomorrow. But I also have my Christmas tree up because if it could be Christmas year round, I would be with that, okay? But I know I just posted a Temu haul a few days ago, and that's fine, that's okay. I'm actually wearing the Blessed sweatpants and sweatshirt outfit from that haul. If you did not catch that, go ahead and find that. I probably will link it below or something so that you can see that all the great stuff I got in that haul. But we have another one today because I did get a small Temu order yesterday, and this has Christmas gifts in it. So hopefully the people, I don't think the people these are for are watching this video, but if they are, I'm sorry. They're not going to be watching though. So let's jump into it. First things first, I did get some eyelashes. So this is a thing of strip lashes because sometimes you feel like messing with glue. And then I got these because sometimes you don't. So this is actually, when I say glue, I mean, you know, the lash strip glue. And these are not too crazy long and fluffy. These are gonna look beautiful, but they're not gonna be like too much. And these, you can tell some of them are missing because I actually have them on. These are individual lashes, but they're self-adhesive. So you're not really supposed to use glue, the lash bond glue. Although you could, I guess, if you want to. It's just that sometimes it bothers my eyes to have the lash glue on there. But as you can tell, let's look at the result here. I hope you like it. I use, these come in four different lengths. They come in 10, 12, 14, and 16. So I used all four lengths to create this look. And I think I'll get maybe 3 or 4 different applications out of this. We'll see how long they last. So next thing was this Christmas shirt that I got. I thought it was going to be a sweatshirt. It actually is ending up to be more t-shirt material. And I'm not sure why. It says dreaming of a pink Christmas. This is a size large. And it's really honestly just like jersey t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt material. And I wanted to get a sweatshirt. I think this was about $10. So not super expensive, but yeah, I wanted a sweatshirt. So I'm wondering if I need to take this back. By the way, also I ordered 2 by accident. I didn't realize I had added 2 of them to the cart. So I have to send one of them back anyway. I'm wondering if I'm gonna be sending both of them back. But I will still try this on for you guys. I love pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. So I thought this would be so cute. It's just that it's not the right material for what I thought I was getting. And I feel a little bit like it was false advertising because it said sweatshirt multiple times. So I don't know what that's about, but we will try that one on. Second thing is a gift. And this is for my sister-in-law, and they just, their son just turned 1. I did mention him in previous recordings, but this is a sweatshirt for her. It says mom mode, and this one is an actual sweatshirt. It's soft, it looks nice, it's white, so I'm gonna put it back in the bag as soon as possible so it doesn't get messed up. But I like this, and this is what I thought the dreaming of a pink Christmas was going to be. It's soft, it's nice, and it's going to, you know, going to somebody else. But anyway, that's number 1. Number 2 is for my brother. his wife, and I got him a sweatshirt also. And it says Black King. It's actually a hoodie with, it does have kangaroo pockets. So they can be matching for Christmas, Black King and Mom Mode. They're both very, very soft. I hope they enjoy them. I'm a little bit jealous that my pink Christmas shirt is not the same. But it's all right, it'll be okay. So while we're on the theme of the gifts that I bought, this is a pink hat. It says Gigi. So that's what my mom calls herself with all of her grandkids, both mine and my brother's kids. So she is Gigi, and this will be a wonderful hat because she likes to throw on a hat every now and again. This one is a t-shirt for my nephew. Oh my gosh, this looks too small. Man, this is a size 1 to 2 years. So we'll see if he fits in this. He might fit in this for like 2.2 minutes. But Gigi's little guy is what it says for him, for my nephew. So my mom is Gigi, but my dad is Dada. So Gigi and Dada. And this is the shirt I got for Dada. It's a t-shirt and it says Dada on it right there. I like this. Oh, I like this t-shirt. It'll be good in the summer. Oh, I like that. I like that. And it'll fit my dad, so that's cute. And I like the color of it too. I thought it was going to be black, but it's more of a gray, like a dark gray. I like that. I am not mad about it. This is also a gift for him, my nephew, fishing for post. So just a little something he can play with. This is also for Christmas. This is not a gift. These are hand towels. There's supposed to be 2 of them. I will show you. Now, I'm a little disappointed with the way these look. They'll work. I was gonna put one in my bathroom, but these are more so, I think, kitchen towels. But the one has the black Santa that says Merry Christmas. I'm gonna still try to put this in the towel holder in my bathroom. It'll work. It's, you know, it's not, you know, towel material, but it'll still work. And this one has the black angels, and that says Christmas blessing. And this one will go in my kitchen. Like, I'll just drape it over my, you know, the oven, the handle for the oven. Because I like to have something draped there, you know, to wipe your hands on real quick. This was so cheap. This was like 18 cents. So I had to get it. It's like a little brush. You put the soap in it, or, you know, soapy water or what have you. And by the way, I put on the nail wraps from my last haul as well. So these are the nail wraps on my nails, one of my Christmas nails. You put the soapy water in here and you can just brush this on and clean your shoes. And like, I think you press this and it dispenses the soap in, or the cleaner, and you can, and it was 18 cents. So I can definitely use that. This is a card. It pops up. I'm not going to open it up, but this is for my son's 18th birthday. So it pops up and it says 18 on it. I can't believe he's turning 18. That's just, how does the time go by? It just flies. It's crazy. The rest of the stuff I got was for my car, to bling out my car. So we gonna jump in that bunch of fun goodness. So this is all multicolored bling, or supposed to be. But this is the first thing. It is going to go, it has these 2 straps that go over the 2 headrests in the front. And so what it's going to do is it's going to be like this sitting in the back seat, and I can slide my purse inside of here. So it's gonna be like behind me like this in the back. Like if I was in my car, I'd be sitting right here and I can just slide my purse in. And that's great for when, because usually my purse rides shotgun, but if somebody in the shotgun seat, I don't have anywhere to put my purse and they're holding it in their lap or it's falling all over the place. And so no, this is going to now hold my purse and not drive me and everybody else in the car crazy. Do you hear me? So that's first. That's going to bling up my car. But wait, there's more. We got this bag of the additional stuff. This is a steering wheel cover, and it all is going to match. It looks, actually the light is hitting it right now, and the blinged out looks so pretty. But yes, this is the steering wheel cover. I'm gonna put this in my car after I finish this video. These are the cup holder slots, and then to bling out my starter button, because my car has a keyless start, it's just the starter button. So to bling out the starter button, this is to bling out the armrest in the middle, so it has the straps that you can put over, like you lift it up. It's like a compartment. You lift up the headrest, the armrest compartment. I'm gonna slide this on, put it back down. It's gonna bling out that. And this last thing, I'm not sure what this is. Is this a cell phone holder? What is this part? I don't, I'm not sure what this blade is supposed to do. Okay, so that was everything in this haul. I do have another small bunch of Temu order things coming next week, so we're going to do another video for that. But I'm going to try on this pink Christmas t-shirt in a minute, and we'll see how it fits. Okay, I've got it on, and it doesn't look terrible. I mean, it's a decent t-shirt. Let me give you the side view, the back view. It's not horrible. I mean, it's just not what I was looking for, but I don't think it'll do. It doesn't have pockets or anything. It'll do. What do you guys think? Should I send it back or should I keep it? It's more of a lounge type shirt, but it's not horrible. So anyway, oh, let me pull this chair back over. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and helping me decide what it is I'm keeping and what it is I'm not keeping. But yes, again, click that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.